Hello everybody, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to put these on the actual headlight. As you can see, there's the lens there. And then the chrome bit. And the dome. So what you do, after you're done printing these, you put them on the squares that are in there by clicking them in place. They should just friction fit on. And there you go. Now with my printer, since it is a bit of an older printer, I had to do slight modifications to the ones that I printed off just because my printer's not super accurate. It over extrudes just a little bit, so I had to shave off some inside the square, just right in the opening, and then I had to melt down the tip just a little bit by like maybe a half a millimeter because the clearance from the over extrusion was just a little bit too much. But yeah, so you just click them on, they friction fit in place. There you go, they're both in there. Got to make sure they're all lined up properly. And then what you do is put the lens in the chrome piece with the little prong there, and then put it down, and when you get to the prong piece, that piece goes in the middle of that. Then sort of twist it a little bit to line it up. And then you push it on. And there you go. The lens stays in place really good. It's nice and firm. No real movement. And there you go. That is the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.